Hi lads, I'm going to really quickly run through your maths homework for the week. So Monday what we have is you're doing question 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 on this page, so multiplication and division. So it's not too complicated. All you have to do is, so first of all, just look here at the examples. So we've got centimeters and millimeters. 3 centimeters, 5 millimeters multiplied by 3. So your answer then can either be 10 centimeters, 5 millimeters, or 3.5 by 3, which gives you 10.5 centimeters. So just be careful that you're answering it the right way with the right unit of measurement underneath. Then we have this one, so 4 meters, 76 centimeters multiplied by 2, which will give you 9 meters, 52 centimeters, or you can write it with your decimal point and put it into meters. Same here with the kilometers and the meters, and your answer is going to be 10.35 kilometers or 10 kilometers, 350 meters. So the multiplication is fine. Oh, sorry. Just go back a page. Alright, so then we have division when you're dividing lengths. So it's straightforward enough. Again, just make sure your answer is split into centimeters and millimeters, or you could have 1.5 centimeters here with your decimal point. Okay, so you tell me which one, or just make it clear in your answers which one you are going with, either both units of measurement or with your decimal point, and pick the bigger unit of measurement. Then down here, see question 6, it says 1/2 of 4 centimeters, 6 millimeters. So when you see the word of, what do? Divide by the bottom, multiply by the top. So 2 into 4 centimeters, 6 millimeters. I'd nearly put the decimal point in for these ones, lads. I think it'd just be easier. And then you multiply it by the top, okay? And the rest of those are fine. So I'll go on to Tuesday's work. So this is Tuesday's work, okay? You're going to be learning about scale. So with the first one, number 1, it says here scale 1 centimeter equals to 1 meter, or 1 to 100. So that means 1 centimeter to 100 centimeters, okay? So they are asking you then, what is the length of the classroom? So you actually use your ruler to measure out all of these, okay? So just say, for example, if you got 3 centimeters here for this part, and you're answering A, what is the length of the classroom? You don't write down 3 centimeters because the classroom isn't actually 3 centimeters. The classroom would in fact be 3 meters because that's the point of the scale, okay? Same here then, the width of the room, again, measure it here and just say it's 2 centimeters, your answer will actually be 2 meters, okay? So how wide is the doorway? This is the doorway here. The length of the teacher's desk, pick the longer side, the width of the teacher's desk. How far is it from the back wall? Okay, so I assume this is the back wall. So you're measuring this space here. What is the perimeter of the room? Again, lads, don't give your answer in centimeters, make sure it's in meters. Same with the area, meters squared. Number 2 then, the plan of the ground floor of a house. Find the length and the width of the following rooms. So again, scale here is 1 to 200, or 1 centimeters to 2 meters, okay? So you go off and you find the length and the width of all of the rooms here, okay? Give your answers in meters, not in centimeters, okay? Because they want to know the actual width and the length of the rooms. Then see these questions here, 3 and 4. It's just find the perimeter of the above rooms. So for A, you're answering the perimeter of the sitting room. For B, perimeter of the dining room. C, the perimeter of the garage. Same here with the area. A, sitting room, B, dining room. Okay, so you should be fine with that. And then Wednesday, you're going to be doing some problem solving. So the first few here, they're all fine. All I'm going to remind you of again. So if they speak about a fence around something, or like wallpapering a room, that they're on about the perimeter. Or if they're on about carpeting something, or even setting grass seed, something that takes up the whole floor space, that's area. Okay, so just be aware of that for those ones. I had to read through these already. I think the one that you might get stuck on, number 16. Okay, so give it a go. If you really can't get it, you can like try your best on it, but you can leave it. Number 15. What I would do with that, see the way it says a roll of carpet was 20 meters long. When the lengths of 5¼ 2.78 and 476 centimeters were cut off, what length was left? Convert all three of these into the same unit of measurement. So either convert them all into centimeters, convert them all into meters, whatever you want to do, just because it's going to be too complicated otherwise to try and add them up and take them away. Other than that, I think the rest are okay. The last task then I'm going to give you is a task on Thursday, and this is it. So it's maths trail at home. Okay, so either print this off or else write it out, whichever. If you've access to a printer, it's probably easiest to print it, or if you don't, just write it out. So all you have to do is find 3 things at home that are over a meter long, okay? And please write the name of the item and their actual length. So if you tell me that you have something that's over a meter long at home, so for example, it could be, like for me, it could be, see the doors behind me? Okay, so they'd be much longer than a meter. So actually go get your measuring tape, measure them out, okay, and tell me, oh, the door is over a meter long at 2.7 meters, something like that. Something that's around a meter long, this could be hard, but like give yourself a little bit of space in between. It could be like the length of a desk or the width of a desk, something like that, or your kitchen table. So get as close as possible to a meter long that you can. Last thing then, shorter than a meter long. So I'm trying to find something. Look, there's a remote here. That'll probably be shorter than a meter long. Give the measurement and write it down. Then you're to measure 2 rooms in your house. So itemize which 2 rooms and answer the following questions. Okay, so again, look, wallpaper is after coming up here. Okay, and carpet. So you have to figure out what you need to do. Is it perimeter or area? And that's it, everyone. So hopefully that's all okay with you. I know we really thought we would be back to school this week, but it doesn't look like it now for another little while. So try and stay positive, try and stay motivated. And I know it's really hard and you probably miss your friends. I even know I miss my friends and I miss hanging out with people too, and I really actually miss coming into school every day. You know, it's lovely to actually go in and to be face to face with you and teaching you these things when I have a board at my hand, and it's just so much easier. So look, it's hard on everyone, but you'll be absolutely grand. There's no fear of you. You're all so bright. You'll be well able to overcome this obstacle. So don't be worrying, and hopefully we'll be back to school as soon as we can. So that's it, lads, for this week. Best of luck with everything. The St. British activity. So I had said last week if you can go around and get some rushes. So it'd be lovely to make a St. Bridget's cross. And I'm hoping that the link I attached for you will work. If not, all you Google is just how to make St. Bridget's crosses and something will come up for you, so it'll be easy. Or if you don't have rushes, the pipe cleaners, you know the pipe cleaners we have in school, those multicoloured ones, they'd also work. And look, if you really can't get access to it, don't worry, you could even make one out of paper. That's it then. And geography as well. Just pick one of those tasks to do. All right, so just pick either Africa, Australia, or the Europe task, one of those. All right, so lads, that's it then for the week, and best of luck, and I'll be talking to you again soon. Okay, see you.